Hi, today we will learn Indonesian language or Bahasa Indonesia about question words or 5W and 1H. What, who, where, which, when, and how in Indonesian language. Sometimes we find these words of question come also with suffix kah. These questions, word or words, can work itself like stand alone in basic or base formation, but sometimes we find this suffix kah. The function is to make the word a bit politer or more polite or more formal. The basic form or base original form is already formal, but if we put the suffix kah, make it more polite, more formal, or it strengthen the word. That's why we put the kah sometimes. Or this suffix kah also used for other words. We can put like subject, or we can put noun or object in front of the kah to make it into question about is it. We have word hujan for rain or raining. If we want to say is it raining, we can just put the hujan in front of this suffix kah. If we say hujankah, it's already a question. It becomes a question. Is it raining? Hujankah? So this kah also works in two ways. One, for this one to make it politer, more formal, but also to make something become a question about is it or are you. Let's say my name is Ira. If we put Ira kah, one word, Ira kah, it means is it Ira? Let's say, is it Ira the one who's doing something, or just like that. Or kamu is you. If we put it here, kamu kah, is it you, the one who doing something, blah 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 blah. Or to make it a question about the word in front. But if we put question word here, more polite, more formal, or to respect, or to be more detailed, or insist more, or strengthen the words. Sorry if I keep repeating. We will start it. Apa is what? Apa. But we can also say it with apakah. Siapa is who, or siapakah. Kapan is when, or we can also say kapankah. And we can also say when with bila. And this bila, I will just put here. Bila has two meanings. One, it means if, but bila also means when. So when you have to say something with bila, it can be if, it can be when. Bila mana, it means when. If or when. When. Bila mana. Where, if we want to say where, we have to use two words. Di mana? Space here. Di mana or di manakah? Where? Why? Mengapa or mengapakah? So this here and ng is not separated, but we say it together, It's not menggapa, but It's like when you have to say ringing, the there is this Mengapa, mengapakah. Also we can say why with kenapa or kenapakah. Which, in this case we can use which or which one. Which or which one, also two words. Yang mana. If we want to use the which as inside the sentence, not as question like which one or which as question. If it's not as question, we use yang. This yang works for which or that. But if we want to use the which become a question word, or like which one or which as question word, we have to use mana. Yang mana, two words. Or yang manakah. I will repeat again. You will hate me about this, but it's okay. If only yang can be which or that. But if you want to make it as question word, which or which one, you have to use the mana if you want to make it as question word. Yang mana. How itself is bagaimana or bagaimanakah. How. But if you want to say this is how, this is if you want to say how much, how many, how long, instead of using the bagaimana as how, for how much, how long, how many, we have to use the other word, which is berapa or berapakah. This bagaimana is more into how is it, how are you. If you want to say how is it, how are you, how to make this, how to make that, we use bagaimana as how. But if you want to say how much, how many, how long, how something, we use the berapa. For example, panjang is long. How long? Berapa panjang is for length. But if we want to say how long for duration of time, instead of panjang, we use lama. Because this panjang is for length, this lama is for duration of time. So, how long the duration of time? Berapa lama? If we want to say how far, far is jauh. Jarak is distance. Berapa jauh jarak? How far distance? Antara, in between. We can say in between this and that. Or dari, from, ke, to. So if you want to say like how long the distance or how far the distance, for distance we use jauh. Don't forget we put jarak. Berapa jauh jarak antara, or berapa jauh jarak dari, ke. How far distance, in between, or from, to. Yeah. And this one, harga is cost. If we want to say how much, berapa harga, how cost something, or berapakah harga, and then something. If you want to say how much, we say it with how and then cost. Harga is cost or price. And for this, as we can see, this one has kah here with the berapa. But with this one, at least these three examples, we can put the kah here, or we can put the kah here. It depends on you want to say how to say it. Which one you want to strengthen? You want to say strengthen the how, or you want to strengthen the length, the long. Berapakah panjang, or berapa panjangkah? If we say berapakah panjang, it means how long. But if you say berapa panjangkah, it means we already know that it is long, but we want to know how long. Yeah. So if you put here, it means how long. It can be short, it can be long, but how long? But if we put the kah here, berapa panjangkah? We already know that it's long. We just want to know how long the exact one. Yeah. Berapakah lama? Also similar with this, but for duration. So we can say like how long, but insist with how. Berapakah lama? But if you put the kah here, berapa lamakah? Lama is long, so for duration of time. So we already know that it's long, the duration of time. But we want to know the exactly how really long is it? Lamakah? Same with this one also. Berapakah jauh? Jauh is far. We just want to know the distance with berapakah. But if we put the jauhkah, berapa jauhkah, we already know that it's really far, but we want to know like how really far is it, the exact how really far. Yeah, that's the difference. You put kah here or here. But for this one, cost or price, we cannot put the kah here. We have to put the kah here, because you cannot say like this is cost or price. You cannot say like there's no logic function to put the kah here to make any different meaning of that. Yeah. Next video, we will put this one in the sentence, or you might already know about it. That we will see. Thank you.